In this video, I'll show you how to add a home button on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, and Plus. This way, let's say you open an app over here and you want to go back on your home screen, just have to tap on the home button and it brings you directly there. And this button can do many more things. So how do you add it? Very easy. Go into settings, then go down until you see accessibility, this option. Tap on it. Then tap on touch. Then over here, the first option should be assistive touch. Press on it. Make sure it's turned on. And then go down, and over here you're going to see single tap. And here you can customize this button that, by the way, you can move around everywhere on the screen. If you don't like it down over there, you can move it up, on the sides, anywhere. But let's say I want it in the middle. So over here, you need to customize what happens when you simply single tap it. And if you click on here, I selected home because this is what I wanted, but you have many other options. You can even customize it to do something else when you double tap. Let's say I want to open the camera every time I double tap it. This way I select camera, and if I double tap this button, it opens my camera. If I tap it once, it goes on the home screen. So it can have multiple options. So it can have multiple purposes. You can even have another option that is long press. So what happens when you long press it? And again, it can open something else. You can even select over here the idle opacity. You see, when you're not using it, it becomes more pale. You can select how pale you want it to be. It can be even paler. Or you can also set it to 100%. This way the button will always stay the same way. It won't fade. But in my case, I like when it's a bit pale so it doesn't go, so I don't notice it too much. So this is it. This is how you add a home button on your iPhone 15. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.